Learn Hindi time words, promptly to.
तुरंत,
Long-term to.
दीर्घकालिक,
Welcome to the time machine. Hey, you are about to learn useful Hindi time expressions without falling asleep on page 2. Let's make your brain laugh and learn at the same time. Today you will meet 8 powerful words: promptly, medium term, long term, in retrospect, foresighted, in the meantime, immediately, and subsequently. In Hindi, those are
समय पर, मध्यम अवधि में, दीर्घकालिक, पीछे मुड़कर देखें तो, दूरदर्शी, इस बीच, तुरंत,
and.
बाद में.
Yes, it sounds like a committee meeting, but I promise we will make it fun. A very serious office disaster. Picture this. You work in an office where nobody understands time. Naturally, everything goes wrong in a dramatic and educational way. Mr. Verma, the manager, shouted, "Please send the report promptly," and the intern proudly replied, "Absolutely."
समय पर,
Exclamation mark single quote. That means promptly, or on time. Then another employee said, "We need a medium-term plan." In Hindi, that is.
मध्यम अवधि में.
Not today, not 10 years from now, but somewhere in the sensible middle. The accountant, who had suddenly become philosophical after 1 cup of tea, added, "No, we need a long-term vision." In Hindi.
दीर्घकालिक,
Big future energy. Fewer panic emails. Then the oldest employee leaned back and said,
पीछे मुड़कर देखें तो,
"We should never have let the office dog manage the calendar." That phrase means in retrospect. A quiet woman in the corner had already prepared 3 backup plans, 2 umbrellas, and emergency snacks. Everyone nodded and called her
दूरदर्शी,
foresighted. The printer broke. The Wi-Fi disappeared. The tea machine started making sounds like a sad goat.
इस बीच,
Or in the meantime, everyone stared at the screen as if staring harder would fix it. Then the boss yelled, "Call IT immediately." In Hindi, that is.
तुरंत,
No delay, no snack break, no inspirational quote first. IT arrived, fixed one thing, and promised to fix the rest subsequently.
बाद में,
Which is office language for not now, but hopefully before retirement. Quick meaning drill. Now let's make the words stick. I say the English idea, and you lock the Hindi into your memory like it owes you money. Promptly equals.
समय पर,
Medium term equals.
मध्यम अवधि में,
Long term equals.
दीर्घकालिक,
In retrospect equals.
पीछे मुड़कर देखें तो,
Foresighted equals.
दूरदर्शी,
In the meantime equals.
इस बीच,
Immediately equals.
तुरंत,
Subsequently equals.
बाद में.
Mini dialogue you can actually use. Let's hear the words in a natural little conversation. Imagine 2 coworkers, one organized and one powered entirely by chaos. A. Can you send the file promptly? B. Yes, I will send it.
समय पर,
A. Is this just a quick fix? B. No, this is useful.
मध्यम अवधि में,
A. And what about the company strategy? B. We need a
दीर्घकालिक,
plan. A. Looking back, was that a mistake? B.
पीछे मुड़कर देखें तो,
Yes, giving the cat an ID badge was unwise. A. Why did Neha prepare so early? B. Because she is.
दूरदर्शी,
A. The server is restarting. What do we do now? B.
इस बीच,
Drink water and pretend to be calm. A. The client is calling. B. Answer.
तुरंत,
A. When will we update the document? B.
बाद में.
Memory tricks and silly images. Your brain loves weird pictures. So let's give it a parade of absurd images it will never forgive you for. 4.
समय पर,
Imagine a giant clock wearing glasses and delivering pizza exactly on time. 4.
मध्यम अवधि में,
Imagine a calendar where the middle months are glowing like they know something important. 4.
दीर्घकालिक,
Picture a snail with a 5-year business plan. Very slow, very committed. 4.
पीछे मुड़कर देखे तो
Imagine yourself dramatically turning around in slow motion like a movie hero reviewing bad life choices. 4.
दूरदर्शी
Picture a person with binoculars predicting tomorrow's lunch menu. 4.
इस बीच
Imagine 2 trains and you sitting calmly between them with tea. 4.
तुरंत
Think of a spicy chili making you run for water instantly. 4.
बाद में
Imagine a lazy cat saying, yes, yes, I will do it.
बाद में
And then taking a nap. Your turn quiz. Okay, superstar, now you answer. Say the Hindi before I reveal it, and if you get it wrong, blame the office cat. How do you say promptly?
समय पर
How do you say medium term?
मध्यम अवधि में
How do you say long term?
दीर्घकालिक
How do you say in retrospect?
पीछे मुड़कर देखे तो
How do you say foresighted?
दूरदर्शी
How do you say in the meantime?
इस बीच
How do you say immediately?
तुरंत
How do you say subsequently?
बाद में
Friendly conclusion. Nice work, you just learned some seriously useful Hindi vocabulary. And you survived the office disaster, which is also impressive. Today you practiced.
समय पर मध्यम अवधि में दीर्घकालिक पीछे मुड़कर देखे तो दूरदर्शी इस बीच तुरंत
And.
बाद में
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and use them in your own sentences. You are doing great, and this time, hopefully, your homework will be ready.
समय पर
Not.
बाद में